So I just got this thing in the mail the other day, and it has these blue lights that go around it that attract the mosquitoes and bugs. And then it has a little fan that very gently just sucks them down into this little cage, where it dries them out and it mostly kills them after a little bit. Let's see how well it works. So I left it running for one night. Let's see how it works. There's some moss in there. There's quite a bit of bugs there. And they're attacking me now. So, it did get a lot of mosquitoes and moths. That was one night.